Hello everyone, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today, in this very short tutorial, I will show to you how easy you can create your custom pattern or patterns in Adobe Photoshop. Today is June 1st, it's summertime, and today we will be working on creating summer pattern. And because I love strawberries, we will work on strawberries pattern. Let's rock and roll. I have opened Adobe Photoshop and also I have created my simple document. You can create your document in any size you like, and of course you can use any color for your background. I will be using a white color for my background, just for better preview for you. Now, I have only one layer. What I will do? I will create a new empty layer. After that, I will switch to the curvature pen tool. In the options bar, I will specify shape, not path shape, and I will specify fill color to red, just like that. And using a red color, I will create my simple outline of first part of my strawberry. Of course, you can create your strawberry in any color. You can make your strawberry art more or less complicated. It's up to you. Today, I will be happy with very simple artwork. And we are not talking about how you can create, how you can use the curvature pen tool in Photoshop. I have a lot of tutorials about it. If you want, you can go and watch those tutorials, but if you would like me to record something new, just let me know. So this is a first part of our strawberry. What I will do, I will lock my layer and I will create a new empty layer. After that, in the option bar, I will specify fill color to green, and using my curvature pen tool with this green color, I will create very simple theme for my strawberry, just like that. And again, guys, you can create more or less complicated art. It's up to you. I'm happy with my strawberry. Now I would like to merge two parts of my strawberry, but I don't want to merge background layer. So what I will do, I will hide my background layer and I will ask Photoshop to merge visible layers, just like that. And after that, I will bring visibility of my background layer back. So this is strawberry we just created with you. Now I will click on View menu, and here I will click on Pattern Preview, just like that. Photoshop will let me know that Pattern Preview works best with Smart Object, and yes, Photoshop convert my strawberry layer to Smart Object layer, just like that. And look at this. Right away, Photoshop creates a pattern for me and for us. Look at this. After Photoshop creates a pattern, you still can modify your artwork, your pattern in a way you like. What I would like to do, I will switch to Move tool and I will scale size of my strawberry a little bit up. And look at this. You can preview all changes in real time, and this is awesome. What I will do, also, I will rotate my strawberry just slightly. After I'm happy with everything, I will click OK to accept all changes. If you don't like of creating your pattern from scratch, you can use ready-to-go shapes available for you in Adobe Photoshop. What you need to do, you need to click on Window menu, and here you will need to click on shapes. Here we have all ready to go shapes. I will click on this flower and I will drag it into my pattern, just like that. I will resize it, I will make it bigger, and I will reposition it slightly. After that, I will change a color. I will change color of my flowers to yellow because I love yellow color. And I'll look at this. This is our pattern. Look at this. How awesome is it? So we are happy with our pattern. How we can use this pattern later on or right now? To be able to use our pattern, we will need to add it to our pattern library, pattern panel. You will need to click on window, and here we have patterns. Click on it and Photoshop will display for you pattern panel, just like that. At the bottom of your pattern panel, you and I, we have create new pattern icon, this plus a sign icon. Click on it and Photoshop will ask you to rename your new pattern. I will rename it to summer 2021, just like that, and I will click OK. And just like this, look at this, Photoshop already did add our new pattern to our pattern patterns library, patterns panel. Now I will open my document with this beautiful dress mockup, summer dress, and I want to add my new pattern I just created with you guys to this dress. To do so, of course, I will need to open my patterns panel. I have it already opened, and I will click on my new pattern, just like that. And Photoshop will add this pattern to your document. Photoshop is smart enough to understand that you would like to add your pattern to highlighted layer to this dress, and also excuse me, Photoshop is smart enough to understand that you probably will want to modify your layer. Because of that, Photoshop creates a new pattern layer with a layer mask already. Don't be scared if you cannot see your pattern as you think, as you saw. You will be able to preview. We can change it just right now in this second. To adjust your pattern, click on double click on a layer pattern layer thumbnail, just like that, and Photoshop will display pattern fill for you. What first thing I will do in pattern fill workspace, it's I will scale my pattern. I will scale it to 5%, just like that. And I would love to make my pattern looks more interesting in this dress. To do so, I will change angle. I will rotate it just like that. Look at this. And after that, I will click OK. Now I will close my patterns panel just for better preview for you. So this is our pattern we did add to our mockup. To make it more realistically looking, I will switch blend mode for my pattern from normal to multiply, just like that. And look at this, guys, as I promised. It's super easy. Basically, in 2 or 3 clicks, we have created our new pattern, and also we did add our new pattern to our mockup. Look at this. How awesome is it? Guys, it's extremely interesting. I love creating patterns, my custom patterns, using my own artwork in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. If you would love to see something specific from you, just let me know and I will record any tutorial for you, or I can stream live. Thank you for your time. Thank you for all your support, and I will see you later. Bye. Create new custom pattern. Start working on your custom patterns right now. Thank you, guys. I will see you later. Bye.